Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best foam roller is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools for anyone looking to improve their muscle recovery, flexibility, and overall well-being. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits, or someone who spends long hours sitting at a desk, this simple yet powerful device can help you release tension, reduce pain, and enhance your performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of foam rolling, exploring its benefits and showing you how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Chirp Wheel Foam Roller, Back and Neck Relief. This wheel is designed with a spinal channel to keep your back safe and comfortable. It helps to stretch your spine, improving alignment and promoting better mobility. It's not just for your back, you can use it on your neck, thighs, and legs. This provides full body relief before workouts and helps reduce soreness after exercise. With a reinforced core and cushioned foam, this wheel can hold up to 500 pounds. It's great for yoga and stretching, providing stability for safe use. This is perfect for athletes, offering effective muscle massage for tight areas. It helps release knots and enhances comfort after training. This versatile wheel also works as a cellulite massage roller. Use it for muscle recovery, posture alignment, or flexibility training, making it a useful addition to both fitness and wellness routines. What we like. This wheel's spinal channel design is engineered to cradle your back. It's not just for your back, it can also be used as a neck roller, thigh roller, and leg massager. If you're looking for a versatile tool for full body relief and enhanced mobility, you should consider this. What people say. The wheel is made out of quality materials and not cheap plastic. You can definitely tell there is a greater stretch and popping for the back with the products than your traditional roller, as it targets specifically the vertebrae and muscles along your back and neck. This little roller is invaluable for easing some of this pain, and I'm in the process of buying another for myself. The roller itself is very firm, but with its rubberized coating, is much more comfortable than some trigger point balls that I've used in the past. Due to its size and shape, it's perfect for rolling your foot on. It doesn't slip out or move side to side with its raised edges. This will be a mainstay under my desk at home. It's very easy to roll your foot on while you complete other tasks. The finish of the item is also very high, there were no rough edges or raised seams on the roller. Number 4. Chirp Wheel 4-Pack Mint, Back and Neck Relief. This wheel is designed with a spinal channel to keep your back comfortable and safe. It can be used as a spine stretcher to target tension and improve your alignment. It supports natural movement and long-lasting mobility. It's not just for your back, this tool can also be used on your neck, thighs, and legs. It's perfect for your calves, hips, and shoulders, providing full body relief before workouts. It also helps reduce soreness after exercise. Crafted with a reinforced ABS core and cushioned EVA foam, this wheel can hold up to 500 pounds. It's ideal for posture work, yoga, and stretching. It provides stability for safe use while serving as a reliable muscle massage tool. This wheel is ideal for athletes and active lifestyles. It provides effective muscle massage for tight areas. It helps release knots, restore flexibility, and enhance comfort after intense training sessions. This versatile wheel can also be used as a cellulite massage roller. It helps smooth targeted areas while easing tightness. Use it for muscle recovery, posture alignment, or flexibility training. What we like. This wheel's spinal channel design is engineered to cradle your back. It's not just for your back, it can also be used as a neck roller, thigh roller, and leg massager. If you're looking for a versatile tool for full body relief and enhanced mobility, you should consider this. What people say. The foam roller is great for working out knots and sore muscles. It's firm enough to really get into the muscles but not so hard that it's painful. The ridges and bumps help to massage the muscles. Number 3. OPTP Pro Roller Soft Foam Roller, Blue 36. This soft foam roller is crafted with durable EVA closed-cell soft foam. It's perfect for use in various settings, from the gym to your home, and is easy to clean. Use it for Pilates, muscle massage, yoga, and more. This roller helps improve balance, stability, mobility, and aids in rehabilitation exercises. The Pro Roller Soft Density is perfect for lying supine. It helps to release tension by rolling out those tight areas. Made with closed-cell, heat-molded EVA foam. This design ensures that it will outperform and outlast other foam rollers. This blue foam roller measures 36 inches long and 6 inches in diameter. It's a great size for a variety of exercises and uses. What we like. This soft foam roller is perfect for use at the gym, studio, clinic or at home. It's ideal as a back roller for self-massage and releasing tension. If you are looking for a versatile tool for Pilates, yoga, and muscle recovery, you should consider this. What people say. It's firm enough to get into those tight spots and release tension, but soft enough that it doesn't feel like you're rolling over gravel. The 36-inch length is perfect for rolling out my entire back or both legs at once, making the process much more efficient. If you want to release sore muscles and fascia without the pain of a hard roller, especially on areas like the IT bands, this one works extremely well. You can apply good pressure and get a deep release without feeling like you're torturing yourself. Number 2. Rolling with it foam roller 13 by 6 inch. This compact roller is perfect for travel. It's made with premium EVA material that won't flake, chip, or lose its shape. This eco-friendly roller offers a firm core with a soft exterior. With USA-based engineering and lifetime customer support, you can trust this product. If you're not happy, you'll get a refund. Add it to your cart now to enjoy the benefits. Tight muscles can hinder your performance. This roller is recommended by professionals for pain relief. It's the safest method for relieving back and neck pain. Foam rolling increases blood flow and reduces fluid retention. Use it before bed for better sleep. It will help you feel stronger with improved posture and balance. Skip the expensive massages and get deep tissue therapy anytime. It's perfect for pre- and post-workout for various activities. This muscle roller will relieve muscle soreness in minutes. What we like. This compact roller is perfect for travel. It is made of eco-friendly material. If you like to have professional-grade relief and want to improve muscle mobility and increase flexibility, you should consider this. What people say. The foam roller is firm and provides a deep tissue massage. It's great for targeting specific muscle groups. The design is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach spots. Number 1. OPTP Pro Roller 36 Standard Density Foam Roller. This professional quality foam roller is perfect for yoga, Pilates, and deep tissue massage. It's designed to help release trigger points and ease muscle tension. This roller is built to last. Made with closed-cell, heat-molded EVA foam, this 36-inch roller is built to withstand heavy use. It's more durable than store-bought models, making it ideal for exercise and physical therapy. You can count on it. This standard density foam roller is designed for heavy use in various settings. Whether it's at the gym, studio, clinic, or home, it can handle it. It's a reliable tool for your fitness needs. Use this roller for a variety of exercises, including yoga, Pilates, and balance training. It's also great for self-massage, both before and after workouts. It's easy to clean with just a wipe. The full 36x 6-inch size is ideal for massaging your back, hamstrings, and quadriceps. It can also target smaller areas like the IT band and calves. It is a versatile tool for your body. What we like. This standard density foam roller is ideal for trigger point release and deep tissue massage. It can withstand heavy use at the gym, studio, clinic, or at home. If you are looking for a versatile fitness tool for yoga, Pilates, and self-massage, you should consider this. What people say. The foam roller is great for working out sore muscles. It is firm enough to provide a deep tissue massage. It is a great size and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.